Yeah, hi Chris, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, so this is your 1254 one. Okay, so basically I've done this one for you. What I've done here, okay, is I've basically given you a whole top head part. Okay, I've given you a whole head part there. It's a 55 head part, okay, but I've put, you know, the only reason, there's, on the differences on the 54 and the 55 is the colour of this and the top of that spindle. Other than that, they are 100% exactly the same. So what I've done is I've basically changed it over for you to, you know, pretty much a brand new unit. Okay, this top half is pretty much brand new. Your spindle will be brand new. The cogs are almost brand new. So this top part I've done for you. Okay, you've got a brand new laser in there. So in all honesty, this part should last you, you know, many years without any errors on there at all. So I'll start out for you. You know, the micro switch is clean. I've looked at your board. Your board looks clean. You know, it's an old software board. It's 5.0, which is quite old, but you know, it's working. It's showing no faults. Now, if you listen carefully, you should be able to hear that music coming out. So I'm using a set of headphones, and the headphones are absolute junk. I've not got an amp rigged up, but hopefully you can hear that. So it's playing away, and you know, I can go up tracks. You know, I've ran it for several hours, and you're getting no skips or any jumps. You know, it's working as it should be. So yeah, that's number one for you, Chris. So I hope that's good for you. And the laser was DOA in that one as well, by the way. So yeah, I weren't even going to go and try to repair the other bits because they're just, you know, weren't worth the hassle. I know you're a good old customer, so I've given you the best there, buddy. So yeah, you've obviously got a 6-month warranty on the parts I've done on that top end part there. So yeah, any problems with that, just give me a shout, Chris. But that's number one for you, buddy. I'll upload number two in a minute.